All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 5 on CR5. It says George lives a quarter mile, 0.25, 25 hundredths of a mile away from school. How far will he walk altogether if he walks to school and back 5 days? Okay, so let's just draw a picture of just one day. So here's George's home, here's school. He's got to walk from home to school, and that's a quarter mile. Then he's got to walk from school back to home every day, and that's a quarter mile. So that would represent one day. He's going to do that for 5 days. All right, so in one day, how long is his journey? Well, he's got to walk quarter mile to school, a quarter mile home from school. So if we add those up, let's see how far he's got to walk in just one day. 5 plus 5 is 10, put down a 0, carry a 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. Yeah, a quarter mile and another quarter mile, you're up to a half mile. So this is 0.5 or 0.50 if you need. Could have put a 0 in the ones place, you have your decimal point. I don't even have to write this in the tens place. It's a half mile he's walking every day. He's going to do that for 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be like day 1. This would represent day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. I like visuals. So on day 1, he has to journey a half mile. On day 2, he's journeying a half mile. On day 3, he's journeying a half mile. Day 4 and day 5. So I look at this, I say, oh, I could add 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. But if I'm repeatedly adding, I could choose to just multiply. I could take that 0.5 and multiply it by 5. Okay? 0.5 is a half. 5 halves. I already know I'm going to be at, maybe if you could think about it, 2.5. 0.5 is 1 half. And I have 5 of them, so that's a half. 0.5, 50% is another half. I'm going to do 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 halves. If I shove this together, that's a whole circle. 1, 2 whole circles, and a half of another. So my answer should be 2.5. That's just another little strategy I use in my head to help me estimate. 5 times 5 is 25. Decimal point over 1. Decimal point over 1. So 2.5. 2.5 miles. He's walking over that 5-day period. I hope that helps.